Hi everyone, and today we're going to be solving simultaneous equations, but we are going to start from word problems. So this really is the application of simultaneous equations. We're applying it to real life. Of course, we're going to start with pretty simple examples, but you soon start to see that, yeah, the questions can get pretty interesting. So the first thing we read in this question is that the sum of two numbers is 107, and the difference between them is 61. We want to find the two numbers. So let's break it down. The first part of the question is we know that the sum of the two numbers is 107. And the second part tells us that the difference between them is 61. So what I've highlighted in yellow gives us one relationship between the two of them. And what I highlighted in blue gives us another relationship between the two numbers. And this sounds like two equations, right? One equation can describe the first relationship, and one equation describes the second relationship. So what we're going to do now is we're going to say let x be the larger number, and we're going to say let y excuse me, be the smaller number. So now let's construct the two equations. From the first relationship highlighted in yellow, the sum of both of them is 107. So we say x plus y is 107. The second relationship is the difference is 61. So since we know x is the larger number, we just let it be. So we can say the larger number, subtracting the smaller number, the difference is 61. Wow, we have a pair of simultaneous equations. You can actually solve for both numbers, x and y, just by solving for these two equations. So let's go ahead and do that. You can use substitution, elimination, it's really up to you. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to use substitution, because that's my favorite method. I'm going to take equation 2, and I'm going to say it is equal to x. I'm going to say it is x equals to 61 plus y. I make x the subject. Call this equation 3. And then I'm going to substitute equation 3 into equation 1. So x plus y equals 107. So I can say that 61 plus y, which is x, and then plus y equals 107. Right? This is actually x. So if you look back at equation 1. So what we have now, let me remove that in case it's confusing. So we have 61 plus 2y equals 107. And then we have 2y equals to 107 minus 61, which gives us 46. And that gives us y equals to 23. Now, we also have we want to find y, so let's substitute. So we substitute y equals to 23 into, we can pick any equation, but I like to use equation 3 because we've already established that we've already made x the subject. So we can say x equals to 61 plus y plus 23. So x equals to 84. Done. So the two numbers are 84 and 23. So you should write a concluding statement. Just try to steal some space here. The two numbers are 84 and 23. There we go.